Finland, a country known for its stunning natural beauty, with vast forests, pristine lakes, and a serene landscape that seems almost untouched by time. The land of 1,000 lakes. In fact, there are over 188,000 lakes scattered across this Nordic paradise, each one more picturesque than the last, and get this, 3 million saunas. That's right, in a country with a population of just over 5 million people, there are 3 million saunas. Yep, in Finland, saunas are like everywhere. You can find them in almost every home, and they are a common sight in public spaces too. They're in houses, offices, even the place where they make the laws. Imagine discussing important policies while sweating it out in a sauna. But a sauna isn't just for getting clean, it's a sanctuary, a place where the mind and body can find peace and rejuvenation. It's where you chill out, connect with people, and get a glimpse into what it means to be Finnish. The sauna is a social hub, a place where friendships are forged and strengthened. For ages, Finns have been hanging out in saunas. This tradition dates back thousands of years, and it has been an integral part of Finnish culture and daily life. They swap stories, share laughs, and just enjoy some quiet time. The sauna is a place where people can be themselves, free from the distractions of modern life. The heat melts away stress, leaving you feeling fresh and brand new. It's a therapeutic experience that revitalizes both the body and the soul. It's a tradition passed down for generations. Families gather in saunas to bond, share stories, and pass on the wisdom of their ancestors. And it's still going strong today. Despite the changes in the world, the Finnish sauna remains a timeless tradition, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Finnish people. Finnish women are known for being strong and independent. They're super smart and involved in everything. From government stuff to running businesses, Finnish women are making a difference. They believe in equality and fairness, and they're not afraid to say what they think. But it's not just about reaching the top. Finnish women love being outside. They love hiking in the woods or taking a dip in a lake. This connection to nature is part of what makes them so down-to-earth and tough. Like lots of other countries, Finland is becoming less religious. Fewer people, especially young people, say they belong to a church. This change is affecting Finnish society in different ways. Some women feel more free. They feel less tied to old-fashioned roles and expectations. Others might feel like they're missing out. They miss the community and support that religion can give. It's a complicated issue with no easy answers. Even though things are getting better with equality, there are still some problems. Finnish women still get paid less than men for doing the same job, and old-fashioned ideas about what men and women should do can be hard to change. But Finland is working on these problems. People are starting to understand unconscious bias, and there are more chances for women to be leaders. It's a journey, not a race. But Finland is dedicated to making things fairer for everyone. Section 5. Daniela Owusu, a Lucia for our times. In 2024, Finland celebrated Lucia Day with great enthusiasm and joy. This annual event, deeply rooted in Scandinavian culture, marks the beginning of the Christmas season and is a symbol of hope and light during the darkest time of the year. The streets were filled with people holding candles, singing traditional songs, and participating in various festivities. This tradition, which started in Sweden, celebrates light during the darkest part of the year. It has since spread to other Nordic countries including Finland, where it has become an integral part of the cultural fabric. The Lucia procession, featuring a young woman dressed in white with a crown of candles, is a highlight of the celebration, symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness. In a historic moment, Daniela Owusu, a young black woman, was chosen as Finland's Lucia. This was a significant departure from tradition, as the role has typically been filled by young women of Scandinavian descent. Daniela's selection was a powerful statement about diversity and inclusion, reflecting the changing demographics and values of Finnish society. It was a big moment, a step forward for diversity and inclusion. The announcement was met with widespread applause and celebration. Many saw it as a positive step towards a more inclusive society, where people of all backgrounds could see themselves represented in cultural traditions. But sadly, not everyone was happy about it. While many celebrated the progress, others were resistant to change. There were mixed emotions in the crowd, with some expressing discomfort and disapproval. Some people were racist towards Daniela. Unfortunately, Daniela faced backlash from a segment of the population that was not ready to embrace this change. Racist comments and actions marred what should have been a joyous occasion. This sparked important conversations about racism in Finland. The controversy surrounding Daniela's selection as Lucia brought to the forefront the issues of racism and discrimination that still exist in Finnish society. It prompted many to reflect on their own attitudes and behaviors, and to engage in meaningful dialogue about how to create a more inclusive and equitable community. It showed the problems faced by minorities, especially women. The discussions highlighted the unique challenges faced by minority women, who often have to navigate multiple layers of discrimination. Daniela's experience served as a powerful reminder of the work that still needs to be done to achieve true equality and inclusion for all. Section 6. Beyond the ice rink, Finnish women achieving greatness. Finnish women are amazing in so many ways. They're Olympic athletes, awesome scientists, and award-winning artists. They're breaking barriers and inspiring the next generation. Their successes show their talent, hard work, and the support they get from their communities. From the ice rink to the science lab, Finnish women are making a difference. Their stories are inspiring, and show us that with hard work and determination, we can do anything. Section 7. The Sauna Principle. Embracing diversity and inclusivity. The sauna is a good way to think about Finnish society. It's a place where everyone is equal. It doesn't matter where you come from or how much money you have, everyone is just themselves. It's a place for acceptance and understanding. Finland is becoming more diverse. This makes it a richer place with new ideas. It's important to welcome this diversity and make everyone feel included. Section 8. A land of contrasts. Tradition and change in Finland. Finland is full of interesting differences. It's a country where the past and the future coexist in harmony, creating a unique blend that is both fascinating and inspiring. From the bustling cities to the serene countryside, every corner of Finland tells a story of tradition and innovation. It's a place where old traditions and new technology hang out together. Imagine walking through a city where you can see people using the latest smartphones inside buildings that have stood for centuries. This juxtaposition of the old and the new is a testament to Finland's ability to adapt and evolve while staying true to its roots. Where beautiful nature meets cool design, Finland's natural beauty is complemented by its innovative architecture. Modern buildings with sleek designs are often found nestled in the midst of lush forests and pristine lakes, creating a stunning visual contrast that is uniquely Finnish, and where a strong sense of community lives alongside a respect for being yourself. Finnish people value their community and traditions, but they also place a high importance on individuality and personal freedom. This balance creates a society that is both cohesive and diverse, where everyone is encouraged to be themselves. This mix of old and new, traditional and progressive, is what makes Finland so special. Cultural festivals celebrating ancient customs are held alongside tech conferences showcasing the latest innovations. This dynamic blend is a reflection of Finland's commitment to honoring its heritage while embracing the future. It's a country that embraces change while remembering where it came from. The historic landmarks and old villages stand as reminders of Finland's rich history, while the new infrastructure and modern buildings signify its forward-thinking mindset. This balance ensures that Finland remains grounded in its past while looking ahead to the future. And it's a country that continues to grow and change in the 21st century. As Finland moves forward, it continues to innovate and evolve, building on its strengths and adapting to new challenges. This ongoing transformation is a testament to the resilience and creativity of the Finnish people, ensuring that Finland remains a land of contrasts, where tradition and change coexist in perfect harmony. Section 9. Looking forward, a bright future for Finnish women. The future for Finnish women is looking good. They are strong, resilient, and ready for whatever comes next. They are supported by a society that believes in equality and fairness, and they are inspired by the women who came before them. As Finland keeps changing, so will the roles and experiences of its women. One thing's for sure, Finnish women will continue to shape the future of their country and inspire generations to come.